And welcome into On the Go. It's been a tradition in Montgomery, Alabama for 64 years. The rodeo's coming to town. It's called the Southeast Livestock Expedition Rodeo because you'll see SLE, those names have been forwarded. And today we have with us Lauren Wilson, and you have to make it happen, right?
Yes,
if
sir.
If this is not successful, it all is on your shoulders.
Well, I hope to think not,
No,
but
no,
yes,
no, you'll be fine. But the rodeo's coming up. It's March
That's
the
right.
18th through the 20th, a Thursday through Saturday.
yes.
And how many shows will there be?
So we have 4 performances,
Okay,
7 p.m. nightly, and then we also have the 2 p.m. matinee on Saturday.
on Saturday.
Yes, sir.
And is there anything special happening for kids or like?
There is,
Good.
actually. Saturday morning from 9 to 11, we have the Western Festival that will take place there at the Coliseum. So we'll have activities out there on the arena floor for those kids to come out and participate in. We'll also have wagon rides as well.
So that's 9 to 11.
That's right.
But then you got about a 3-hour pause before the rodeo actually starts if they're going to stay for the rodeo. Is there going to
Yes.
be some concessions out there, or they?
There will be concessions. We'll have vendors out there as well. And the doors do open 2 hours before, so the doors will open at 12 so people can,
Okay.
we'll sweep and clean out the Coliseum, and then they'll just turn around and be able to come
So they
back
don't have
in.
to get parked, go look at the kid area, and then leave, and then come back.
That's right. We'll
And-
have plenty to do.
And the rodeo lasts about an hour and a half totally, doesn't it?
About 2 hours.
Pretty. Well, that's right, because they have a little intermission.
Yes, we
Yeah.
have an intermission and
Right.
with the loading of stock and everything. So,
And what's going to be new features this year? Anything new?
so this year, like our funny man is Trent McFarland. He's local rodeo clown, and then we also have our entertainment is Tim Leopard. He's also known as the Wild Thing.
Yeah, he's from Mississippi.
That's
isn't he?
right,
Yeah,
yes.
all the people in Mississippi are kind of wild things. We can say that. They're our friends.
Yes.
Yeah.
But he will bring his monkeys riding border collies. So that
Yeah, and that's worth seeing.
yes,
It's
it
unbelievable.
is.
And these monkeys, they're not little kids. They're like 25 years old, some of them.
Yes,
Yeah.
they are like his kids.
They've been around a while, so
Right.
they don't know. They know how to get on and off a border collie.
Yes,
Yeah,
they
it's-
do that themselves.
As we say, it's not their first rodeo.
No, it's not.
But hopefully, if you've never been, we hope this will be your first rodeo. Then you'll come every year.
Yes.
Great thing for grandparents to take grandchildren to.
Of
The
course.
kids absolutely love it. You know, a lot of kids, even though we're living in Alabama, it's a big beef state, they've never seen these animals, have they?
No, a lot of
No.
kids have never been to a rodeo or seen anything about horses or cattle. So
Yep.
it's a good event for the family and all involved.
And a lot of things they're doing are things that actual cowboys do out on the range because they have to be able to control the cattle while they're out on
That's
the range.
correct.
And, yes, they're going to toss a lasso around the cow or something like that. These animals are so big and so strong, it's not going to hurt them. It's like
That's
you
right.
stubbed your toe.
Yeah.
And so don't get all upset when you say, they tied that cow up and he couldn't move. That cow is perfectly happy.
That's right, yes.
He's used to doing that.
Yes, they're bred for this.
Absolutely. So how do people get tickets for the event?
So 888-2-RODEO-2 is a number you can
Okay,
call.
and that's going to come up on the screen. 888-2-RODEO-2. Number 2 and number 2 on
That's
both
right.
ends.
Yes.
That's great.
SLErodeo.com/tickets. And you can call Garrett Coliseum as well.
That's right, because there's a ticket office there.
Yes.
And then, obviously the big question with our good old buddy COVID that's still kind of want or hang around, you will be able to be distanced fairly well. I mean, you can
Yes.
stay with your family together, but
That's right.
they're going to take care of everything inside.
Yes, the ushers will help people once they get in the door, but family pods can sit together, and then we'll space seating for the next family
and
pod.
they're going to request that you wear a mask, there
Mask.
while you're inside there.
Yes.
Obviously, if you're having something to eat, you're not going to put the food through the mask. So
Right.
you take it down at that point.
Yes.
And then the steak cook-off is on that Saturday. If you are a good steak cooker, go online again, and you can find the application to come out that day. You don't have to provide the meat. They provide the meat. That's all you got to do is bring your skill with you.
That's
Of course,
right.
you have to bring your own grill, don't you?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
You have to bring something to grill the steak on. Are there going to be prizes that they win?
Yes, there are prizes. $1,000.
Whew. Well, hey, that's pretty good.
That
if you,
is.
If you think you're a good steak cooker, that's one of them.
If
you
I
wanna
weren't
do.
going to be so busy, I might work on my cooking skills and enter.
I think you're gonna have more than you can.
I
I don't think
probably
you'll
will.
even
My
get
plate's gonna be full.
you won't even get a hamburger in your mouth. Okay. So remember this, it's the 64th annual. The Alabama Cattlemen's Association is a wonderful organization. They've been here for years. This is a very strong cattle state. There's a Cattlemen's Association chapter in every county in the state of Alabama, and they're putting great food on your table. The motto of beef, it's what's for dinner, really means it's something good to put on your table. And we'll be right back right after this.